Hi guys, this is Hector. Tuesday, the 30th of October 2007, 40 minutes past 11 a.m. London time. I've just triggered a long entry on the Canadian JPY, one of the setups I've been following today that I was telling the guys on my mailing list about. Let me try to show you what I'm seeing on my charts. Okay, first of all, my setup chart is the hourly chart. Okay, we can clearly see a nice uptrend as per my moving averages, as are usual, parallel to each other, pointing in the same direction, parallel to each other, etc., etc. Moreover, if we look into the individual days price action, we can clearly see that we've been making higher lows and higher highs as well, of course, like in any other uptrend. And moreover, throughout the Tokyo session, we've seen a retracement channel. It's I'm actually trading this flag formation. All right, this being the pole of the flag and this being the flag in itself. It's marked in black in my chart. Let me actually zoom in a little bit so you guys can see that better. There we are. All right, this is the flag formation. Okay, the retracement channel. Oops, 1 second. This being the channel, the flag bottom, and this being the top. We got the breakout right there as London market open. It was a very shy breakout actually. Then it came back to retest the inner trend line, which is this one marked in light black. Okay, retesting this low and also breaking above the 120.00 round number, then retesting it from below, and then it seems like it's going back up. Basically what we formed throughout the last 2 hours actually, it's been a flat top triangle. Can you see that flat top triangle? All right, and it's broken to the upside in the direction of the main trend. Also the channel, the top also being broken, and therefore I've triggered my long entry right there at 120.11. all right, that's my entry level. Stop loss placed below at 119.80, and then I'm setting my final target. If we zoom out into the 4 hours time frame, we can see a previous swing high around right before the 121.00. right there. This been it worked about 2 weeks ago as resistance, and therefore I will exit a few pips below that. Okay, perhaps at 120.95. all right, so basically what I'm triggering here, what I'm trading here is a flag breakout in the direction of the moving averages. All right, in the direction of the trend. Okay, up on the breakout of the flag in itself, and also up on the breakout of the very short-term flat top triangle, which is, like I say, is the one marking in red right there. all right, once again, entry level 120.11, stop loss 119.80, final target up there at 120.95 for a very nice 1-to risk reward ratio. all right, actually it's a little bit more, is 1 to 2.5 risk reward ratio. It's basically really, guys, very typical of price formation breakout, always in the direction of the main trend. You guys have seen me trading this thing many times if you've been following my blog throughout the last months. So nothing really special to say about this trade. It's just another typical price formation breakout. all right, okay folks, I'll keep you updated. Bye bye. Hi guys, Hector again. One quick update. It's 8 minutes past 8 a.m. London time. In the next day over. If you remember, yesterday I took an entry right there at 120.10 on the Canadian dollar against the JPY. Price has been moving sideways, okay, throughout the night. Not really showing that much of a momentum. In fact, this was yesterday's price action. It only moved about 60-70 pips from low to high. 70 pips actually, to be exact, from low to high. Like I say, have a look at if we actually blend this whole day worth of price action into a candlestick. This is the beginning of the day, this is the end of the day, this is the high, this is the low, all right? And well, if we link that up, what we get is basically spinning top, okay? Spinning top, doji, whatever. It shows indecision, okay? It's definitely been a range bound day without a clear bias. But nonetheless, the moving averages are still pointing up, okay, still parallel to each other, still in order, etc, etc. So from a technical point of view, the uptrend is still in place, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna offset a little bit of my risk. If you remember, my stop loss was placed down there at 119.80. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trail it up 15 pips to 119.95, right below the 120.00 round number, which was actually got retested about 4 hours ago throughout the right in the middle of the Tokyo session, right there, okay. And well, like I said, I'm trailing my stop up to 119.95 to offset a little bit of risk. If you remember, entry was 120.11, so I'm basically taking a 17 pip risk here. I'm just gonna take my chances here. Like I said, the trend is still up. It's just going through a moment of, you know, sideways consolidation. Unfortunately, I triggered my entry within this channel apparently. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna reduce my stop loss. You know, if it goes, if the channel actually breaks out in the direction of the main trend, in the direction of the moving averages, good, my final target will be hit. If not, well, you know, my stop loss will be, you know, I will be knocked out of the trade for a minus 17 pip loss. But nonetheless, I think it's worth a chance. It's just because, like I say, I'm still, you know, in a clear uptrend, all right. And also, I am taking a small risk here, only 17 pips, for quite a decent run, okay, for a 75 pip target. I think it's worth a chance, all right. So I'm gonna basically, I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. All right, guys, that's all. As soon as this video is done, I will upload it on the blog. All right, bye bye. Hi guys, Hector again, another update. 9:30 AM, Wednesday the 31st of October 2007. And well, just like I said, just a quick update to let you know that I'm trading my stop loss up few more pips, okay. I'm spotting this triple top there, actually a flat top, sorry, one second, a flat top triangle, which is marked in purple in my screen, alright, with this triple top and making higher lows, therefore well, you know, in the direction of the main trend, therefore building pressure to the upside in theory, alright. So what I'm gonna do, this is definitely a bullish formation, all right, building pressure upon one level, okay, forming higher lows in an uptrend. This in theory should break to the upside. If it doesn't, it means that something is wrong in this setup, okay. If it breaks below this channel, this triangle bottom, okay, it means that something is wrong with this setup. So I don't want to be long in this market no longer, because, well, like I say, something is upsetting the charts, all right. Upon this triple top, if we cannot break above this level, all right, and if instead of that we turn around and break this the triangle bottom, I'm gonna actually manually exit. I've trailed my stop loss down, sorry, up to here, but like I say, at the first signal of weakness, I'm just gonna exit the trade. For perhaps a very small loss, a minus 5 pip loss, something like that. Like I say, it's a bullish formation in a bullish trend. It should break to the upside. If it doesn't, I just don't want to be involved with this market no longer. Alright guys, that's all. I'll keep you updated. Bye bye. Hi guys, this is Hector. 20 minutes past noon London time. Final update to let you know that my final and my final target has been hit for plus 80 pips. All right. Okay, folks, that's all. Bye bye.